from 6 lakh year to 10,000 BC. From 6 lakh year to 10,000 BC, we have this Paleolithic age, means people were dependent on large and crude stone tools. So they were not specialized stone tools. From 10,000 BC to 4,000 BC. From 10,000 BC to 4,000 BC, we have this Mesolithic period, means during this period, people are dependent on this microlith or small size stone tools from 10,000 BC to 4,000 BC. Remember, in some part of India, people were still using this microlith or small size stone tools at the same time around the 7,000 BC. At the same time around the 7,000 BC, in another part of India, people started using this polished stone tools, and this period is called as Neolithic period. Remember, now from the 7,000 to 1,000 BC. During this period, in some part of India, people were using these polished stone tools. And this period we call this as a Neolithic period. Remember, when in some part of India, people were using polished stone tools, they did not start the use of first metal, that is copper, at the same time in another part of India. At the same time, in another part of India, people started using this copper, and now culture based on copper and stone was developed. That is Chalcolithic culture. Chalcolithic culture from 4,000 to 700 BC. Remember now, in some part of India, people were still using this stone. They did not start the use of this copper. So they were in this Neolithic phase. At the same time, in another part of India, people were using copper along with this stone, and these sites were in this Chalcolithic phase. At the same time, remember this time from 2600 to 1900. 2600 to 1900 BC. During this time, from 2600 to 1900 BC, in some part of India, people were still using polished stone tools. They did not start the use of copper. At the same time, in another part of India, people started using this copper. At the same time, now in the northwest part of Indian subcontinent, people started using this bronze. People started using this bronze, and here in the northwest part of India, from 2600 to 1900, now the culture is developed, which was based on surplus food grain production, or the culture is developed which was characterized by surplus food grain production, development of urban centers, development of planned towns, use of burnt bricks and underground drainage, etc. This culture called as Indus Valley culture or Indus Valley civilization or Harappan culture.